Hey everybody, it's me again. Been a few years since I've actually reviewed anything, but let's go. Today I'm going to be reviewing a coffee machine. Me and my wife love coffee, so this is a treat actually. This machine was given to me. I get to keep it, which is nice. It's Tassimo, the fine makers of single serve coffee. Machines made by Bosch, as you can see. What we're going to do is let's go ahead and make something for you while I review it. So I bought myself a little carousel, example of a tea disc, pretty small. From the Javelia Signature Blend. You can see it's got a barcode on it. That barcode tells the machine what to do with this disc. Pretty cool. I'm not going to bore you with the details, but it works. Again, here we have this one over here is Maxwell's House Cappuccino. Barcode again. Let's set that aside. We're going to use that one. And here's the Espresso Disk. Again, Maxwell House. That's what we're going to use. It's a two-step process when you're doing this. Making normal coffee is actually a one-step process, but making cappuccino, so there's two parts to it. So there's the on-off switch. Pretty simple. It's a rocker switch. That's the start button. Pretty simple. Two lights. I'll tell you what those are in a moment. But pretty simple there. Look in the back, there is a water tank. Gotta have water for coffee. So in this tank, it's pretty basic. You just pull it off and on, and that's pretty much it. You just put it back, make sure you put it on right. And top lifts open for you to put the water in. But lightweight, got its own handle. On the back, T-disc, barcode. It's empty. It tells the machine you're gonna clean it. Put that in and it self-cleans, which is nice. So let's make some cappuccino. If you notice on the machine itself, the bottom thing is actually a stand. What it does is it holds up the coffee if it's too small. Oh yeah, let's turn it on. Good idea. So please excuse the blurriness. I'm using new lighting and new camera, so left an old disc in there. As you can tell, we've been using the machine. So shake up the milk. That's at least that's what the directions say. Yeah, put that in the milk creamer. Let's get that cup. And again, as I said, you want to be careful with the cup. That over there, that guy, if it's a small cup, put that in, and then put the cup on top of it. Yeah, otherwise, my wife will yell at you. Close it up, and press the button, because you have a green light, and now it starts doing what it's doing. Makes some sounds and, little clicks, and then all of a sudden, creamer comes out, which is really nice. It makes it nice and hot, and as you'll see later, a good head of foam, which I love. Let me tell you, my wife and I, we love coffee, but I hate making it. To this date, I probably never made her a cup of coffee since we've been married because I can't stand the process. Getting the grounds, measuring the scoops, measuring the water. It's all some kind of weird fantasy science to me that just does not make any sense. So I don't do it. And it's just, I hate it. I hate the mess, the grounds. In fact, I had to clean the countertop before filming this video so you wouldn't see the grounds. So that's me and coffee, and as you can see, steam's rising. That means it's just about done. The light's still blinking. It'll switch to the other light on the right hand side. When it does that, you'll be able to know that you can take the cup out, or actually in this case put the next disc in. There you go, there's a green light. So we're all set to open it up, take the empty disc out, and grab the next disc. And let me show you. Take a look over here. See that little hole over there? That over there, here. That's where the actual barcode reader is. So it tells the machine what to do. How hot the coffee is, how much water to use. It's actually pretty amazing and yet so simplistic. Again, the left button blinks. That means the machine is being used. When the right light is on solid, that means after you've made your cup of coffee, you can actually press the button again, and then you can actually make a bigger cup of coffee. It'll be a little weaker, but it'll be bigger. I prefer a strong cup of coffee. This is actually being made for Kim though, so I can't have this one. So it's just about done. There you go. See the steam rising. Smells so good. You might be asking yourself, what happened to our coffee pot, the one I speak so lowly of? Well, it's actually being stored away right now in the cabinet. It's not being used at all. We love this machine so much that we are actually using it exclusively now. In fact, we've already gone through a whole entire cappuccino. Two of them actually. This is our third set of cappuccinos. You see, look at that. Nice big head of froth. And let me tell you, this stuff tastes fantastic. This is Maxwell House. I actually prefer the Starbucks version. Tastes nicer. But Tassimo Bosch did a great job. I love the machine. I want to give one away. So what I want to do is I'll put remarks in the post how you can win one. All right? Thanks.